Welcome to LAINA Pro. Once you're logged in, you select the tab to analyze your contract. You provide some simple information based on your prior usage of the platform, and then find the contract. Next, you identify the type of contract, which party you are, and other things like that. You then run the analysis and view your contract with its favorability ratings. What does this mean? In short, the scale is from very bad for you to very good for you using a stoplight approach. Dark red is very bad for you, light red is bad, yellow is neutral, light green is good, and dark green is very good. Simply move the bar to a different color to change whether a contract term becomes better or worse for you. Neutral, which is yellow, is in the middle of the slider bar. You can also click on the I on the right side of the screen. This provides a hint as to that sentence's meaning without all the legalese. There are many other features to the platform, which you can learn about in one of our other videos. You then select a tab to finalize your agreement and export it.